Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add search bar in Wix website. So let's go to the Wix first. Open your editor website, editor mode. Then you have to click on this add apps. Now you can see this interface here. You have to write here Wix site search. Now you'll find here this option Wix site search. Click on this, or if you can't find, you can see here Wix site search. Click on this Wix site search, and then you'll find here add to site. Click on add to site. It will take some seconds, so hold on. Here you can see that site search has been added. Here on top you can see here the search has been added. Now if you want to customize this, you have to double click on this, and you can see here header design and header, my headers theme. If you want to customize it, click on customize design. Then you'll find here border, corners, fill, color, opacity. If you want to change the background, you can do this like this. That's normal. If you want to choose the border, you can choose the border like this. And then if you want to right click on this, and you'll find here quick edit, change header, scroll, help, height. You can quick edit, and then you can change the content and go to layout, add a section, and you can add your layout as you want. I'm going back. So guys, this is how you can add and edit a search bar in Wix website. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.